Hi friends, this is Hakuna05. I'm going to show you how to boot into Android without installing it using Live CD or USB. So download the Woofus USB tool. Just right click and click Run as Administrator. When you get this, you can leave everything as default or you can change it. So we're gonna create a bootable disk using the ISO image. Now locate the Android ISO image. If you get this, just click yes. And now click start. Click OK. So this shouldn't take long. I'm not going to pause it because it's not going to take too long. Since this is I guess an 81 megabyte ISO image. And there you go. You can view the log and you can save it, but I'm not going to do so for the purpose of this tutorial. And now you should see that it's your USB is now an autoplay thing. Now we're going to exit and eject the USB and put it back in. So now we're going to get out here. Now if you go to computer, you'll see it's turned into a live CD. So now I'm going to switch to a real the 3DS so I can prove to you that this is a real, I'm doing this on a real machine, and so I can show you how to change the boot sequence. So as you can see, this is my real computer. It's an Acer. So what you're gonna do now is just restart the computer. Sorry for the shake. Okay, I was about to force restart it, but oh well. I'm just chilling here. Okay. So now we're going to enter the BIOS and change the boot sequence to boot from a USB. Now, depending on your motherboard, the BIOS may not look the same, or the keys to enter the BIOS may not be the same either. It can rather be escape, F12, or whatever. Just give it a moment here to restart. Alright. Okay, I'm going to press F2. Now we're going to be entering the BIOS. So this is what the BIOS would look like on an Acer. We're going to go to the boot tab and follow these instructions to move the USB boot order. So I'm going to press F6. So now the USB is the first boot device. I'm going to exit and save the changes. Don't worry, at the end I'll show you how to boot back into your hard drive, but once you save, it will now boot into the USB. So we have these options. So we got live CD options, so we're going to choose one, Android 86-bit without installation. And now we're going to boot into Android. Just give it a moment here. Alright, now we're going to boot into Android.
And now we're on Android. So we're gonna unlock this. And yay, you're on Android, surprisingly. I'm gonna press any buttons we want to. We're gonna go to browser. Wait, we need to connect to the internet, which we cannot. You can see where's the SD card. Well, no, thank you. Okay, I don't know how to connect to the internet, but who cares? Now we're going to boot back into our hard drive, and to do that, we're going to change the boot order again so we can boot into the hard drive. Otherwise, you can take the then you can take the USB out and just boot from the hard drive, which I don't recommend. We're going to shut it down here. Alright. Now I'm going to press F2 again. Alright. I got it. So now, in the BIOS, we're going to boot back into our hard drive. So, if you want to, you can use F6 for this. However, I'm going to press F5 this time, so I can go back to the first boot order. So now, if we save the changes again, we're going to be booting back into Windows 7. If this will. So, now we're going to be booting back to Windows 7. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe.